Well, hey guys, once again, it's that annual holiday treats collaboration that I'm so super excited about. And guys, of course, we will be inviting you to participate in this open annual holiday treats collaboration. It is being hosted by Styling with Ms Betty and also myself, and we have a special guest this year, Ms Brenda Dee. These women are fabulous. So guys, we asking that you use the hashtag Holiday Treats Collab 2023 so we can locate your video and add it to the playlist. And also, if you want to use the title, you can for Holiday Treats Collaboration. And the upload for the collaboration is Friday, December 1st, 1 p.m. Central Standard or 2 p.m. Eastern Standard, and please be subscribed to all of the host channels as a common courtesy. Guys, I can't wait. I hope to see you there, and thank you in advance for participating.